What's up, guys? It's Jeeves again, and today I'm going to talk to you about this latest thing I just picked up from Taylor Motorsports, and that is this Pitbull gear station. So this thing is a new offering from Pitbull. Everyone knows Pitbull makes the best stuff out there, and Mike's got these things in stock. I had to get down and grab one, and today I'm going to show you what all it entails. So stay tuned. Alright, let's get this thing opened up, see what we got here. So, a couple boxes. Little instruction sheet, that's always good. Showing off the accessories and stuff. That looks like maybe one of the glove holders. That's going to be for the suit hanger or jacket hanger. Cargo net. And then our pieces to hold the helmet. So the helmet's going to sit on those. Last but not least on this first box, the actual bracket itself. So, cool. Box one down. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. So that's the hanger. So everything's in box one, other than the hanger in box two, which these have been out for a while. You may have seen these for your suit or jacket. They make a bracket, little post that goes right on the wall, so that's awesome. Those are cool. But now you can add that same thing to this. So let's get everything out. Let's get this assembled and mounted up. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is I think I'm gonna put it right here. So this is what I've been using, just a D-loop, but that's just gonna hold my leathers. So I think we're gonna pull that out. That's gonna go in there. We just gotta check that its helmet's gonna clear, and that leathers will clear the floor. We'll see what we got. I suppose the first thing to do is to lock everything up. Slide on the glove holder, then one of the helmet cradles. And they got these, they're adjustable windows, so put the cradle on. Now you can slide it, lock it in. I'm going to throw on the suit hanger, the jacket hanger. And then the other helmet cradle. Okay, so that's what it'll look like on the wall. And I'm gonna take this stuff back off to mount it, but I want to just see if everything's gonna fit here in the trailer with the helmet on top and the suit hanging. So let's see. Okay. So helmet's on. I'll put it there. Really, I got a screw here. If I line that bolt up with the support, that'll leave me some clearance on top. Okay, so if I place that right there on the stud, that's gonna leave me some clearance, a little bit of clearance on top to get the helmet on and off with the cargo net. And I just gotta see if the suit will clear. Okay, so in that same spot, looks like that'll work. So the feet are like just barely touching the floor, but that's not a big deal. As long as like, the knees aren't like coming up the legs, laid all over the floor. So that'll work perfect right there. So I can go ahead and get everything mounted up, and I think I might actually switch. So this is the glove hanger, this is the suit hanger. I'm going to switch those two so that the heavy suit is closer to the wall. think that's how I'll do that. Okay, so Pitbull with the kit provides these really thick 2-inch screws, but those are going to be too long for my trailer walls. They'll be perfect in the office if I want to put this in the office or living room, whatever, wherever you want to put it. But the trailer walls are too thick, so I'm going to space them out a little bit just for the video, and then I'll have to go to the store and get some shorter screws, but this will work for install purposes. So let's get to drilling and screwing this up. Okay, so that's mounted. So now we just gotta slide our accessories on. So I'm gonna start with the jacket hook, or leather hook, whatever you wanna call it. One of the helmet cradles, glove hanger, other helmet cradle, facing the other way, and then lock in our helmet cradles. I'll adjust it to fit the helmet better, but so here, like I said earlier, put the suit on the very back because the suit's going to be the heaviest thing, so I just want it closest to the support. Now I'll throw the net on top. Corner. Yeah, that's awesome. That ain't going nowhere. Especially if you say that ain't going nowhere. Once you say that, you're good. Next, we'll take our Pitbull hanger. This thing's so stout. And see how it doesn't just fall in place? That's actually on purpose, right? So it's just like there's this gap here, then you just boom, clicks in. So now as you're bouncing down the road, boom, 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 the suit doesn't bounce out. It just sits there. It's awesome. Throw our gloves on here, boom, boom, and see that right there? So they put that slot there if you wanted to hang your helmet from the strap instead, and you needed to get this closer to the ceiling, you could just hang your helmet from the strap there and you'd be solid. So now we got all that in. You toss your keys, they got these nice little hooks here. You can toss your hat, sunglasses. Pretty cool setup from Pitbull. Obviously they always make the best stuff, they're top of the line. And if you hit up Mike down there at Taylor Motorsports, I know he's got several of these things in stock right now. I think it runs 110 for the whole kit, which is stupid cheap for the quality of stuff you got here. So give him a shout, and he can even drop ship too. So if you can't get down to him, just give him a call and he can have it shipped right to you. So, all right, that's the review on the, well, I guess it wasn't really a review, but the unboxing and the install on the Pitbull, and the review is it's freaking awesome like everything Pitbull. So, all right, later.